Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that brings incredible comfort and hope, what Jesus tells us about heaven. We're going to dive into one of the most beautiful passages in the Bible, found in John chapter 14. So, let's set the scene. Jesus is with his disciples, and he's about to go to the cross. They are confused, scared, and full of anxiety. Can you imagine the fear in that room? And what does Jesus say to them? He starts with, "Do not let your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me." Right away, he addresses their deepest fears. He's essentially saying, I know you're worried, but trust me. I've got this. This is a promise for us, too. In our moments of anxiety and uncertainty about the future, Jesus offers us peace. Then, he gives them this incredible revelation. He says, "My Father's house has many rooms. If that were not so, would I have told you that I am going there to prepare a place for you?" Let's unpack that. My Father's house. This isn't some abstract, cloudy concept. It's a home. It's a place of belonging, family, and relationship with God the Father. And it has many rooms or mansions, as some translations say. This speaks to the vastness and personal nature of heaven. There is a specific, prepared place for everyone who believes. It's not a generic, one-size-fits-all destination. Jesus is personally preparing a place just for you. Think about that for a moment. The creator of the universe is making a home for you. But the promise gets even better. Jesus continues, "And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come back and take you to be with me, that you also may be where I am." This is the ultimate hope. He isn't just sending us an address and telling us to find our own way there. He promises to return personally, to bring us home. The goal of heaven isn't just about the golden streets or pearly gates. It's about being with Jesus. The greatest joy of heaven will be uninterrupted, perfect fellowship with him. The place is wonderful because the person who is there is wonderful. Now, the disciples are still a bit confused. Thomas, ever the practical one, asks, "Lord, we don't know where you are going, so how can we know the way?" This is such an important question, and Jesus' answer is the core of the entire Christian faith. He doesn't give them a map or a set of rules. He says, "I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." Let's break that down. He is the way, not one of many ways, but the single, exclusive path to God. He is the truth, the ultimate reality that all other truths are built upon. And he is the life, the very source of eternal, spiritual life. There is no plan B. The way to the Father's house, to that place he has prepared for us, is through a relationship with Jesus Christ. It's not about being good enough or following a certain ritual. It's about trusting in him. So, what does this passage from John 14 teach us about heaven? It teaches us that heaven is a real, personal place, home prepared for us by Jesus himself. It teaches us that the best part of heaven is being in the presence of Jesus forever. And it teaches us that the only way to get there is through Jesus, who is the way, the truth, and the life. This isn't just a comforting thought for the future. It's a truth that can transform how we live right now. It can replace our fear with peace and our uncertainty with an unshakable hope. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this look into John 14 has encouraged your heart. If you found this message helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. And share in the comments what part of this passage means the most to you. I'd love to hear from you. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.